Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm back to talk to you about a foundation of healthy habits and um, some gut health ideas that can help you with establishing a good foundation for your emotions. So let's take a look through these slides today. So first, essential oils are dynamic. They can help support our body physically and emotionally. Physical health has an impact on our moods, and good health physically usually equals feeling energetic and ready to take on the world. Our mental and emotional health can be adversely affected by everything from food sensitivities to gut health, poor liver function, inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and more. And it's important to take the whole body into consideration when we're trying to manage our emotions. So as I'm walking you through these slides today, I want you to consider how, maybe give yourself a rating from 1 to 10. How are you doing in each of these categories? And see if that is maybe playing an effect on your moods. Okay. So first up, eating right. Our health and much of our energy relies on us putting the best in our bodies. So make sure that you are getting your healthy fats, your proteins, and lots of veggies and fruits. We all know how to eat right. So it's just about us making little decisions every day that push us in the right direction. Each time we reach for something, we have a decision to make, whether it's going to be something that's going to nourish our body or it's just going to be something to help us eat our emotions or to fill us fast. So making the conscious effort to put something in your body that's going to nourish you. We can also make sure that we are taking a good vitamin. And we all know that the most important part of eating is eating good foods. But we also know the foods that we eat today aren't really cutting it. So even with a near perfect diet, we should all be taking a supplement, a good bioavailable supplement. There's many vitamins on the market that you can see are created synthetically, and so your body does not absorb its nutrients, at least not very much or very well. The Lifelong Vitality Pack is full of essential nutrients, metabolism benefits, and powerful antioxidants designed to promote energy, health, and lifelong vitality. So this pack of 3 is doTERRA's #1 selling product. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's a risk-free way to try the product and see if you like it. If you don't feel a difference after 30 days, then you can send the empty bottles back and get your money back. It comes with 3 products. The first is the Alpha CRX, and it is a cellular complex that is a formula combining potent levels of natural botanical extracts that support healthy cell functions and important metabolic factors for cellular energy. So this is going to help us at the cellular level, and it's kind of full of all of those amazing superfoods like turmeric and botswana and frankincense and green tea leaf extract and ginkgo biloba and all the other things that you hear about that you should be taking, and you could buy like 50 different supplements to help. This is going to do it all in just this one supplement. Think about this as the supplement for reducing inflammation. So if you have chronic inflammation, if you have chronic pain, this is the supplement that's going to help you. So then the next one we have is the doTERRA XC Omega. This is your Omega complex, which is a unique formula of certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils mixed with marine and land-sourced omega fatty acids. The omega fatty acids help support our joints, our cardiovascular system, our brain health. This is really going to help with brain fog and concentration, and it supports our healthy immune function. So again, this is something that we can't really get. Our body doesn't produce it. We need to get this through our diet. So if you're not eating a lot of marine and land sourced omega fatty acids, then having a good supplement is really essential. The third one is the Micro Plex VMZ, Food Nutrient Complex, and it's a food nutrient formula of bioavailable vitamins and minerals that are deficient in most of our modern diets. So what bioavailable means is that our body can readily absorb these nutrients. It doesn't have to work to get them. The formula includes a balanced blend of essential antioxidant vitamins of A, C, and E, and an energy complex of B vitamins presented in a patent glycoprotein matrix. So the Microplex VMZ also contains minerals including calcium, magnesium, and zinc for optimum bone health. And metabolic health. It also contains doTERRA's Tummy Tamer botanical blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway to calm the stomach for those of you who may have experienced stomach upset with other vitamins and mineral products. So one of the many things I love about the doTERRA is that they stand behind this product. And so, as I mentioned, it comes with that 30-day money-back guarantee. And when you purchase this on our monthly program, the Loyalty Rewards program, you're earning points back on what you're spending. So you're getting a discount from the wholesale membership. You're getting money back from the points rewards program. And you can also get a discount on other vitamins. So again, it's a great pack to try. And most people who have experienced it would say that they feel more energy. I know for myself, I feel like my moods have been balanced by it. I feel more energy and feel less aches and pains. Let's talk about gut health for a moment. This is an important piece of our foundation as it has been linked to overall health. If you have ever gone with your gut in making a decision or felt butterflies in your stomach when nervous, you're likely getting the signals from an unexpected source, your second brain that Leah talked about, right? And so it is hidden in the walls of the digestive system, and this is the brain in our gut. It's revolutionizing our understanding of the links between digestion, mood, health, and even the way we think. So researchers are finding evidence that irritation in the gastrointestinal system may send signals to the central nervous system that trigger mood changes. And research has also shown that the digestive system actively plays a part in the effect of our cognition. So this is our thinking skills and our memory as well. So with this in mind, it's important, and as you can see from the picture on this slide, 95% of our serotonin, so that's the feel-good hormone, in our body is created in our gut. So it's really important that we're taking care of our gut health. So with that in mind, you can see why taking a daily probiotic, and we suggest the PB Assist, and maybe even a digestive enzyme like Terrazyme can be part of your daily health program. And these products will help your body process the foods you are eating and create more health for your digestive system. So the GX Assist and the lemon and the are good for cleansing and restoring gut health. The PB Assist is a wonderful probiotic that's double encapsulated, so it actually gets into your gastrointestinal tract where it's needed. It doesn't get eaten by your stomach acid. The Zendocrine is to support liver function, and the Terrazyme is a digestive enzyme complex that will help your body process, sorry, I'm saying process twice, which is confusing me. The enzyme helps break down the foods like processed or cooked or preservative-laden foods. So it's a great one to take with a meal, especially if you're eating out or eating fast food or eating something that normally upsets your stomach or takes more time to process. And again, a great money-saving tip is that you can add Terrazyme and the PB Assist onto your Lifelong Vitality Pack, and doTERRA gives us a significant, usually over $15 discount on these products when we purchase them together. The last thing that I wanted to talk about was exercise. We all know that regular exercise is good for our body, but exercise is also one of the most effective ways to improve our mental health. Um, so regular exercise can have a profound effect, positive impact on depression, anxiety, ADHD, and more. It also relieves stress, improves memory, helps you sleep better, boosts overall mood, and you don't have to be a fitness fanatic to reap these benefits. Research indicates that modest amounts of exercise can make a difference. So, no matter what your age or your fitness level, you can learn to use exercise as a powerful tool to help you feel better. So some of my favorite products that help me with exercise and making sure I get my exercise in daily is the Deep Blue Rub, because it soothes my sore muscles if I've overextended myself the day before, and Breathe to just open up my airways and help me have a little bit more stamina. So even if you just start with 5 to 10 minute sessions and slowly increase your time, the more you exercise, the more energy you'll have. And so eventually you'll feel like you're ready for a little bit more. So the key here is to commit to doing some moderate exercise, however little it is, on most days. Okay, make exercise a habit, and you can slowly add extra minutes or try different types of activities. Okay, so just to wrap that up, we want to create some healthy habits for our lifestyle to support our overall mood and our physical health and our emotional health. And so when we do that, we want to keep in mind we're feeding our healthy mind and our healthy heart and our healthy gut, so that we're taking care of all three of those brains that we talked about in the first video with Leah. So again, I just want you to take a moment and think about how you're doing in each of these categories. How are you doing on feeding your brain and feeding your heart and feeding your gut? How are you doing on taking care of your whole body? Think about that and get honest with yourself and see if there's ways that you can use these products that we've been talking about to support you in creating a more healthy lifestyle to support your whole body. Thanks for joining us today.